welcome to another live future trading session. In this class, we will explore how to trade futures using the shooting star candlestick pattern, right? This is one of the trusted bearish reversal signal used by professional traders to catch up trends, tops, and short the market effectively. Okay, so just stay with me while we make this happen, right? Just stay with me while we make this happen. Okay, in this tutorial or in this live session with me, I'm going to show you how to identify the shooting star candlestick pattern, how to confirm valid reversal signal with structures and what volume, right? I'm going to show you how to confirm valid reversal signals with structure and volume. I'm going to show you also step-by-step guide to short your futures on KuCoin application, right? I'm going to show you everything. All right, so if you are with me, just wave I so that I'll know that you are set to go. Just say I. IST. Are you ready for today's live session? All right. ST is active. Okay, so before we continue, I'm going to show you how to, before we continue, if you do not have the KuCoin Future Exchange app where we're going to run our application, I will advise you currently right now to do what? I will advise you to go to the comment section if you haven't, or you can check the description of this live tutorial. I'm gonna paste the link there. Okay, I don't want to stress you. I'm not gonna frustrate you right now. So we are gonna talk about sign up there using that link, and the second link there is a massive. The second link over there is a massive campaign that is going on. Okay, you earn exclusive reward and bonuses by joining the KuCoin Streamer Community. If you are interested, you can do that. But before we do that, let me quickly tell you what we are going to achieve today. Today I'm gonna show you how to identify the shooting star candlestick pattern. This is like the opposite, right? This is like the opposite of the pin bar. That is the hammer A that we just finished explaining in our previous live session. I'm going to show you how to define. So today I'm going to show you how to identify the shooting star candlestick pattern, how to confirm value reversal signals with structures and volume, and step-by-step guide. Okay, step-by-step guide to short your futures. Okay, on KuCoin Trade. I'm going to show you how to set precise entry, stop loss, and what your take profit levels. Sometimes most of you guys know how to trade, but you don't know when should I enter the market, when should I do this, when should I do that. You don't know what to do. Okay, so it is advisable that you know when to enter the market and you know when to exit the market. Okay, so now you're gonna be like, I'm a trader, this and that, but you don't know how to enter a market. Your analysis might be true, but you don't know how to. So I'm gonna show you on how to do that. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is the KuCoin Exchange app. I've shown you before. This is how it is. when you click on the first link I drop over there, you download the app, and this is the link, right? This is the link. For security reason, I use fingerprint to log in, right? I use fingerprint to log in, and I'm logging successfully, right? So just make sure you stay with me. If you have any question, don't forget to drop in the comment section, okay? I'm with you, and I'm also ready to be with you to assist you in everything that you don't understand here. All right, so guys, let's get started. So welcome back to another live trading session. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so that your friends can know that, oh, there's a live trading session. Most of you that are interested in trading, you can start here, right? So now let me give you a recap of our previous class, and I told you that in our previous class we talk about what? In our previous class we talk about the hammer pattern, right? The hammer candlestick pattern, okay? And I told you that the hammer candlestick pattern is just like the hammer candlestick pattern is just like a bullish reversal signal that forms at the bottom of a downtrend, right? I explained that for you in our last tutorial. If you can't catch up with me, don't hesitate to go back and learn, because learning makes perfect, okay? And I also show you that it normally forms at the bottom of a downtrend, closely, always at the support zone, right? Always at the support zone, fams. Always at the support zone. And I also told you that it has a small body and a long shadow. Not a long upper shadow, but a long lower shadow, which gives you a reversal signal that the buyers are about to take over the market, while the sellers have already traded it in the downtrend direction, right? So don't just feel comfortable. We are gonna strike it together. We're a live session, and I promise to take you in and out, okay? So, and as we were saying, the hammer candlestick pattern in our last class, I told you that it has a small body, a long lower wick, and little or no upper shadow, right? Showing that sellers try to push the price down. Oh, having the mindset, I'm going to push the market down. Oh, buyers don't have the ability. Boom! In the chart, we saw a hammer 8, okay? With a long wick. Whenever you have a long wick in the hammer 8, whenever you have a long wick in your hammer 8, just believe and know that the bullish momentum is gonna be massive whenever the wick is very long, just like this, okay? Whenever you have a long wick, just know that the market is about to go super what? Bullish. Okay, the market is about to go super bullish. Okay, so guys, we are gonna do that together. Don't be discouraged. Me and you gonna go through this. We learn over and over. Remember, practice makes perfect. Okay, so we're gonna learn together, and I'm gonna show you example of what. I'm going to show you example of what? Of a hammer 8, and I think I did that before, but for the sake of those that are joining now, I'm going to do that. Okay, this is an example of a hammer 8, but yeah, the wick is not too long. The wick is not too long. Solana is dipping. Right time to buy or so. Okay, so there's a lot of things that is going to happen here. Yeah. I'm trying to search for the AMA 8 for you guys so that you understand. For you that is joining you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so that you understand what I'm trying to say. All right. Coming. All right. This is it. I never knew that I will not be able to draw. All right. This is example of a AMA 8. In case of you guys that were not active in class, have you seen the example of AMA 8? Have you seen an example of AMA 8? Example of AMA 8. All right, this is it. This is one of the examples of AMA 8 candlestick. You see, this was a massive downtrend already. This was a downtrend. Okay, the price time down all the way. Let me delete everything so that I can show you guys well. For those of you that were not in class, guess what happened? Price time down, right? Price time down to, and I tell you that AMA 8 always occur in where? In a support zone, right? This should be my support zone. As you can see it touches here, right? Have you seen it? It touches there already. So this is my support zone. So the market, the price was at here 102,745, almost the current market situation right now. That was the price. So this was a downtrend, and after the downtrend, the market moved to area of consolidation now before shooting back to the downtrend, right? So now after shooting back to the downtrend, can you guess what happened? Funny thing just took place, right? Funny thing just took place. And what was the funny thing that took place? The formation of what? Of the AMA 8. Now check what happened. The price spiked from 89,125 to where? Check. Have you seen it? The price spiked from 89,000 to 100 and something. So if you would have, because this 1 hour time frame, and you would have had the patience of holding this trade at $89,998 on 16 January. Okay, so just guess how much you would have make on 28 January 2025. That would have been massive profit for you if you would have held your trade for a long time. So you see, And I also show you how to enter the trade. You enter setting your take profit. You're setting your take profit above the entry point, right? And setting your stop loss below the lower wick or the lower shadow, if that's what you may call it. Okay, so that is just it, farms. That is just it, guys. So now let's dive into our next tutorial. All right. All right, guys. So this is it already. All right, so this is it already. Okay, this is it. So that is for what? Hammer 8. Okay, now Hammer 8 is just a bullish reversal of shooting star. Is just a bullish reversal of Hammer 8. Okay, so don't mix things up. It's just words and opposite. I believe you guys did that in your high school. So let me look for, and you know that the shooting star occurs in, let me show you the picture of a shooting star for those of you that don't have prior knowledge about it, how it looks. Let me show you, right? So don't panic. I'm gonna show you everything, right? Let me show you what it means by shooting star, how the pictures looks. Okay, let me show you how the picture looks. Just stay with me. Just stay with me. This is it. Okay, in a shooting star, you wait for an uptrend direction. Okay, this was an uptrend. The market was bullish. The bulls, when they were taking charge of the market, they were in the control of the market. Oh, we are going higher. They tried their best to push this market upward. They tried their best. But you know what? All of a sudden, it forms a resistance because the bullish moment, the shooting star occurs at a resistance level, while the hammerhead or the pin bar tends to occur at the support level. So this is horizontal resistance, right? At the horizontal resistance, at the top of the horizontal resistance, there forms a candle, a shooting star. Now, guess what happened to the market? The market had to turn down. So that is just the theoretical aspect of it. I wanted you to see how the picture looks like so that you won't feel confused or how does the image look like. So now let's dive into the live chart and see how this takes place, how this tends to occur. Okay, so now let's go back to our chart. Let's go back to our chart. If you are gonna see such things, then we do it. Let's look for shooting star. First of all, let's look for market that was bullish. Okay, this was already in bullish. Okay, Okay, I've seen a shooting star right here. Boom, boom, boom. It's very easy. Okay, it's very easy. This is a shooting star. If you can observe, check what happened. Have you seen it? This was my support, horizontal support level, and this is my horizontal resistance. Guess what happened, farms? Guess what happened? In this yellow that signifies the distance, this is what happened. That is my horizontal support. Just stay with me. I'm gonna show you. I'm going to show you the shooting star so that you understand what I'm doing. Okay. Bend down by my book. All right. This is it. Now, the market was in an upward direction, but all of a sudden, what happened to the market? All of a sudden, what happened to the market? Check. See, it was in an uptrend. Have you seen? All of a sudden, the market was in an uptrend. All of a sudden, the market was in an uptrend. Have you seen it? While the market was in an uptrend, the bulls were in control of the market. The market was going higher, forming higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Okay, going till we now see this. Okay, so this is the one in the purple. Let me mark in the purple triangle. It's what we refer to as what the bullish. Is what we refer as the shooting star, which is a bearish reversal. Okay, the bearish reversal of the candle. Okay, of the chart pattern. So this don't just feel bad. Oh, what should I do at this stage? This is it. I think you can see it well. This is it. That is the bullish. That is the shooting star, giving you a confirmation and indicator that this market is going to turn up and up, right? Giving you a hope that this market is going to turn down. Sorry to say that the market is going to turn down. The shooting star. All right. So guys, that is it. All right. I'm seeing your chart. Cynthia Simon, amazing. Thank you. The shooting star, yes, is a shooting star. Yes, this is massive. Thank you, guys. All right. So now this is what happened. The market turned down from BTC was at 116,400. Now check what happened to the market. This is analyzing the live chart. Have you seen it? BTC turned down, right? BTC time down all the way from 116,000 to currently to 98,941. That was massive low. Okay, time down to massive low. So guys, this is really awesome, and I know I really love using this candlestick because it is very easy to understand. And if I should combine this with my other indicator, I could take a short position from here. Okay, I can take a short position from here, no doubt. Can take a short position from here. Okay, so that is how to trade shooting star. Let's keep searching the chart. If you see and you most likely see it. You most likely see it in the chart. Okay, shooting star, you must see it anyhow. Okay, that is a ranging market. You don't go for that. You don't go for that. I'm going to look for another shooting star so that I can explain it to you guys. It should be somewhere. No. This is it also. Have you seen it? It doesn't matter the colors. Have you seen it? There's another shooting star occurring. This is another shooting star. Okay, the one in the blue candle, that green candle there signifies what? A shooting star. Okay, it signifies a shooting star. So guys, after signifying a shooting star, it occurs at a resistance level. Okay, it occurs at a resistance level. So that is how this tool is being used. And see what happened. The price was at that was the highest higher high. Okay, that was the highest higher high at 11,101,979 per USD. That is dollar per one BTC. Now check what happened. Check what happened in the market. Are you with me? See what happened. The price had to calm down. The price calmed down. See. Have you seen? See what happened to the price. Have you seen it? See what happened to the market. The price had to turn down from that 111,975 BTC to $100,366 per one BTC. So oh God, is it starting from the beginning? So guys, I don't know what is wrong. So guys, I think I was trying to figure out something, but sorry for that. Let me try to check something. Just give me a minute. Okay. That's the link to the YouTube in case you are interrupted. So let's continue with that. What we were doing. Let's continue what we were doing. So this is what I was trying to say. So this is what I was trying to share. I've explained what the shooting star is all about. Okay, I've explained what the shooting star is all about and its usefulness. So you would have entered your trade here, and I think you have it real good, honestly, real good from here, because this was a nice one. This was a nice one. Okay. Sorry, I never knew that it wasn't recorded the other one, so I have to come and explain it again. So that is it. This is the trade. This is the trade. As you see it, the market was in a downtrend. You see. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at another candle and explain further for you guys. Okay. Let's take a look at another candle and explain further for you guys. I'm coming. Let's check another candle so that we can explain that for you. Let's take a look at another. Which are the new coins? Wow, new tokens. Tokens are being listed every day. I have to log in for security reasons. I'm coming. All right, this is it. Let me explain it again, because it seems you guys didn't catch up with what I was saying earlier. Okay, this is it. Maybe it was interrupted. For the sake of sound journey that just joined us, let me explain it again to you guys. Hello, yeah. Messi, I'm very sorry the live stream was interrupted, so please just catch up with me again. Let me explain you. Let me explain it back. I think this is a this is a good example of a shooting star. first of all, you search for uptrend, right? Because you're going to occur on the top of your uptrend. If you should check this, this was the uptrend. Have you seen it? This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend, right? Well, this occur in an uptrend. What do you have to do now? You check support and resistance. This is a very, very strong resistance. Okay, this is a very, very strong resistance. After that one, you can delete it. You search for a shooting star, and this is the shooting star. Hello, Cynthia, I can hear you. Please catch up with what we are doing right now, okay? I just discovered that what I was doing wasn't on record, okay? So I'm live now, so go back and just follow what I'm doing, okay? If you have any question, you can drop. I'm going to attend to you, all right? So this is it. This is the shooting star that just took place. This is the shooting star that just took place, okay? Now check what happened to the market. The market turned down. Check. Are you saying? Let's keep going. No. Let's keep going. I'm looking for the lower low. Have you seen it? Price time down to where? 107,000 US dollars. From where? From 124,000 US dollars to 107,000 US dollars. So you see, this would have been a very mass profit for us here. Maybe you would have taken your long position here after the formation of this bearish candle. Taking your position here, that would have been your long position. Sorry, your take profit, your short position, but this is your take profit, right? And this would have been your entry. This would have been your entry, is the blue line, and sorry, you're gonna get it. Don't panic. I got you. This would have been your stop loss. Have you seen it? So you would have still make a massive profit. You will still make a massive profit, farms, if you follow the train, okay? If you follow the simple signals for me. So I literally don't want to keep you guys so long due to the interruption that took place, and I believe with this shooting star you have understood what I've just said. And we all have a couple of candlestick patterns before we move to the main market structure of trading cryptocurrency using KuCoin futures app. So I'm going to do that, but for now don't forget to sign up if you haven't. If you have been using any other exchange, I'm not discriminating any other exchange, but I'm currently advising you that KuCoin is the best exchange for me, for beginners to trade futures and earn more massively. Okay, you learn while you earn at the same time. And don't forget to join the upstream campaign that is going on. Check the comment section, and I think I've dropped it before for you. you can do that. Okay, so thank you guys for your time. I really appreciate. Bye.